Close your eyes for a moment and imagine this. A quiet afternoon. The world feels a little slower. In your hands is a simple hook and a soft strand of yarn. With every gentle movement, something begins to form. Not just stitches, but calm, confidence, and creativity. This is where crochet begins. Not with perfection, not with expensive tools, but with patience, curiosity, and the willingness to learn something beautiful from the very first loop. Crochet is one of the most welcoming crafts in the world. It does not rush you. It meets you exactly where you are, whether you are a complete beginner holding a hook for the first time or someone who has watched others crochet and finally decided to try. Crochet is not only about making items, it is about building skills, telling stories through yarn, and creating something useful and meaningful with your own hands. For beginners, crochet can feel a little mysterious at first. There are new words, new movements, and moments when the yarn seems to have a mind of its own. But that is part of the charm. Crochet teaches you patience. It teaches you to slow down, to breathe, and to enjoy progress one stitch at a time. Every expert crocheter once struggled with their first chain, and every beautiful crochet item began as a simple knot. The importance of crochet goes far beyond the finished piece. Crochet is a powerful creative outlet. It helps reduce stress and anxiety by keeping the hands busy and the mind focused. Many beginners discover that crochet becomes their quiet space, a time when worries soften and thoughts settle. Crochet also improves hand coordination and concentration, making it both relaxing and mentally engaging. For some, it becomes a form of meditation. For others, it becomes a source of income, gifts, or even a lifelong passion. Crochet is also deeply practical. With crochet, you can create clothing, home decor, baby items, accessories, and everyday essentials. A single hook and yarn can become a warm blanket, a cozy hat, a stylish bag, or a delicate table decoration. In a world filled with fast fashion and mass production, crochet stands as a reminder of the value of handmade items, where time, effort, and love are woven into every stitch. When starting crochet, the first thing to understand is that mistakes are not failures, they are part of learning. Uneven edges, loose stitches, or twisted chains happen to everyone. The key is not to quit. Crochet rewards consistency, not perfection. As a beginner, focus on learning the basic stitches, understanding tension, and becoming comfortable with holding your hook and yarn. One of the most important things to look out for when crocheting is tension. Tension refers to how tightly or loosely you hold the yarn. If your tension is too tight, your stitches will be hard to work into, and your hands may feel strained. If your tension is too loose, your project may look uneven or lose its shape. Finding the right tension takes time, so be patient with yourself. Let your hands relax and allow the yarn to flow naturally. Another key thing to watch is stitch count. Beginners often add or lose stitches without realizing it, especially at the beginning or end of rows. This can cause projects to become wider or narrower